Hey everybody, welcome back to Shani's Shopping Saga. So we are in the Dollar Tree and they added more fall decor. I guess I would call this more like your DIY section, and I also see some Halloween decor. So let's just jump in and show you guys what I see. So they have these chair covers, the scarecrow with the brown, and then this one with the orange hat. And then look at these are really cute. White, orange, and they have the green and beige. And then this one, look at these, the harvest acorns. I have a bunch of little pumpkins. I don't remember these from last year, but they have these decorative pumpkins, the orange and beige. And I think these are so cute. And this one, that's the same one, and this one says blessed. The pumpkin. A little bow at the top. Oh, and then this one has acorns. Alright. The leaves. Burgundy. Orange. Beige, and then the burlap stickers. Like a bunch of the same little burlap stickers, yeah. These. Look at these up here. Let's see how long is this box. Can I get the whole box down without dropping everything? Yep. Okay. Let's see. The owl. And the owl with the little buttons. Decor. Oh, look, and they have some little strings at the top, so you can like put them as ornaments like on your trees. Riley, pick that owl up. That one fell. Gather together and be grateful, thankful and blessed, and simply blessed. Some more maple leaves. Little mushrooms. 8 pieces. The acorns, the pumpkins, mini hay bales, sunflowers, decorative picks. This is 10 pieces, the smaller ones, and the bigger ones are 5 pieces. Orange. And then, of course, we did see all of these scarecrows before. Did we see all of these? Yeah. These are all here before. You know what? I don't think we did see these. I can't remember. I've been looking at so much fall stuff. I don't know if... No, this one, she looks new. Just show them again to you guys. So there's the burgundy with the green, there's the blue, there's the orange, and then there's yellow. And these we did already see in the previous Dollar Tree fall videos. This is going to be like the 3rd one. I'm going to try to remember to link it down below in case you guys missed those, and you can see like these are already here. The sunflowers, and then they added these cute little mini scarecrow hats. So that one has the black, the orange, and the green. Bows. It's a pack of 2. And then right around here is some Halloween. So like I said, we've already seen all of this. And those pumpkins, I think those pumpkins are so cute. They have new additions here. Felt stickers, bones. And they pretty much have this every year. The DIY colors, stickers. But this is what I really want to show you guys. So they have the spiders. And then look at these. These are giving me Michael's Joanne vibes to do your own DIY wreaths and stuff. The ghost. And if you guys are not following me on Facebook and Instagram, I'll have the information linked down below. I post a lot of short content and longer videos over there, so don't forget to check me out on those platforms. Sometimes you'll get like a sneak peek of what we saw, because I'll get like the shorts up over there quicker than I could get the full video up over here. Which are so cute. $125, I only see those two. I have these. And then these. Some of them are felt, and then some of them are like the that material. So I see orange, purple, and black. More of the DIYs. Oh, this one is the cutest. The acorn pumpkin. The DIY skull hat, ghost house pumpkin. And then these decorative fillers. Skulls, pumpkins. Pumpkins, bigger pumpkins, little mini brooms. It's 3 little mini witch brooms. What are they calling this? Tassel stems. I guess it'll be like the filler, like filling your wire from your wreaths. Halloween leather. And then the pumpkins. Twig garland. The ribbon, velvet ribbon. That's what I was trying to say. It was the felt and then the velvet material for the pumpkins. Door hangers. Easier if I do it like this. Okay, so it's a hanger, but it's bats on it. And these hangers have bolts on it. And these have hands on it. So goes hands and that, and then the eyeballs. Oh, these are skulls. It's kind of like the little skulls that are in the packaging. And these are skulls. And the flowers. Spiders. And there, then I have the back clips. A pack of 4. eyeballs, Halloween tree, and then they have these trees, purple, green, orange, and black, and they have these trees. Decorative ornaments. Alright, so that's pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. All my returning users always shopping with me. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And all of this stuff we did go through. Like I said, it's on like a broken record in the previous walkthrough. This is our third Dollar Tree with the fall and the Halloween. So make sure you backtrack and go look at the other videos, and I will see you guys in the next shopping trip.